How to integrate AI into your sales funnel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's completely changing the game for businesses in 2025. Integrating AI into your sales funnel. I'm going to show you exactly how to use the latest AI tools to attract more leads, convert them faster, and keep customers coming back, all while saving you time and resources. Whether you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or part of a larger sales team, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for using AI to supercharge every stage of your sales process. Let's get started. The AI-powered sales funnel overview. Before we dive into specific tools, let's quickly map out what an AI-enhanced sales funnel looks like in 2025. At the awareness stage, AI helps you identify and reach your ideal customers with hyper-personalized content. During the interest and consideration phases, AI qualifies leads and engages them with dynamic, personalized interactions. At the conversion stage, AI helps optimize your pitches and offers in real time. And finally, for retention, AI predicts customer behavior and automates personalized re-engagement. The key difference from traditional funnels: AI makes every stage dynamic and responsive rather than static. Let's break down exactly how to implement this. Awareness stage. Finding your ideal customers. Let's start with awareness. In 2025, effective AI implementation here means, first, using predictive analytics to identify high-value prospects before they even know they need you. Tools like Current Popular Tool now integrate with your CRM to analyze thousands of data points and predict which businesses or individuals are most likely to need your solution in the next 30 to 90 days. Second, leveraging AI content generation to create targeted outreach at scale. With platforms like Current Popular Platform, you can now generate completely personalized cold outreach that feels genuinely human while being produced at scale. The game changer here is specificity. You're not just casting a wide net, you're precisely targeting prospects with messaging that speaks directly to their exact situation right now. Interest and consideration. AI engagement. Once prospects are aware of you, AI really shines in nurturing that interest. Conversational AI has evolved dramatically since the early chatbots. Today's solutions can handle complex queries, understand context, and guide prospects through personalized product demonstrations without human intervention. Dynamic content adaptation means your landing pages, emails, and resources now automatically adjust based on who's viewing them. What's particularly effective is implementing multi-channel AI coordination. Your email sequences, social media engagement, and website experience all work together based on the prospect's behavior across platforms. The key metric to watch here: time to qualification has dropped by an average of 67% for businesses implementing these techniques. Conversion. AI-optimized closing. At the conversion stage, AI gives your sales team superpowers. Real-time conversation coaching through earpieces or on-screen prompts helps sales reps address objections and highlight the right features based on sentiment analysis during calls. Personalized proposal generation automatically creates custom pricing packages and solution recommendations based on the specific prospect's needs, budget constraints, and usage patterns. Predictive close timing tells you exactly when to make the offer and which offer is most likely to convert for each specific prospect. Companies implementing these techniques are seeing conversion rate improvements of 23 to 38% compared to traditional approaches. Retention. predictive customer success. Finally, AI transforms how you retain and grow customer relationships. Churn prediction algorithms now identify at-risk customers with 94% accuracy up to 60 days before they consider leaving. Automated re-engagement creates personalized experiences that directly address the specific reasons a customer might be disengaged. Cross-sell upsell AI identifies the perfect timing and product recommendations for each customer based on their usage patterns and needs. The most effective approach combines proactive outreach with responsive support, all powered by AI that understands each customer's unique journey. Conclusion: integrating AI throughout your sales funnel isn't just about automation. It's about creating more meaningful, personalized experiences at every touchpoint while giving your team the insights they need to focus on what matters most. Start by implementing one AI solution at each funnel stage, measure the results, and expand from there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.